Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate how to install Kooha, the elegant screen recorder for Linux, on Fedora OS without using Flatpaks. We are going to use this GitHub project made by Dave Patrick. See the link in the description. Here are the runtime requirements. I'm going to skip the GNOME builder and focus on Meson. Now, as you can see, Meson does have many prerequisites for it to work. So we are going to install all of them, then clone the project and build the app. Alright. In case you're wondering which Fedora I'm using, it's Fedora 44 Sway Edition with basic GNOME desktop as an alternative. And it uses Wayland, which is also necessary for Kooha to work. Let's now get started. Open your terminal and update your system as usual. DNF install update. Now for the project, we begin by installing these packages step by step, starting with Meson and Ninja. DNF install Meson, Ninja. Next up is Cargo and Upstream CLI. DNF install Cargo, Upstream CLI. Now for the GStreamer, we are going to use the GStreamer 1, GStreamer 1 plugins base, GStreamer 1 plugins ugly free, and GStreamer 1 plugins bad free. As you can see, X264 is installed automatically with the GStreamer packages. glib2, GTK4 and libadwaita are already installed. They always come with the OS, but we might have to reinstall them later if need be. Let's now git clone this Kooha project. Grab the link and run it on the terminal. Once it is done, we cd into the project directory, then try running the Meson command. If everything is okay, it should run till the end. It looks like we are missing the CMake and glib2 packages. So let's first start by installing the CMake with the command dnf install CMake. For the glib2, we shall install the glib2 devel, which is the developer version of glib2. We repeat the same for GTK4, libadwaita, and GStreamer. So dnf install GTK4 devel, dnf install libadwaita devel, dnf install GStreamer 1 devel, and finally dnf install GStreamer 1 plugins base devel. Now we run the Meson commands one more time and see what happens. Looks like everything is running perfectly. Great. Now let's run the install command, that is ninja c build install. Fingers crossed, we should have the app ready once this is done. So it needs elevated privilege to install this app, so we grant it and input password, and now installation is complete. The app icon is here, but you will still need to reboot your PC if the app does not open when you click the icon. Here is the app and it's working as expected. I'll share a sample clip of the recording I've made with the app. Thanks to the project developer, and thank you for watching to this point. Enjoy Kooha and see you next time.